Okay guys, this is the Soyes S10-H, another mini phone from Soyes with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, the MediaTek 6739, and as you can see, our box is filled with all sorts of Chinese. Okay, so this is like a mint green, I'm guessing. Yeah, it feels pretty cheap. In the box we get a case, a tempered glass screen protector, power brick, and this actually feels like a decent power brick. And they even give us an adapter for Europe, and our charging cable, which is micro USB. And here we have manuals, the AliExpress rating card, and seeing how they're the... Okay, a handwritten warranty card. Okay, this is pretty good. And it's September 31st. See, that's how long I ordered this. And then here, our SIM ejector tool. Okay, so it comes pre-set up, obviously. Battery is 45%, and that's the brightest the screen gets. But the bezels overall look pretty good. So after the Play Store has crashed multiple times, I finally was able to sign in and install free apps. But first, we're gonna test the face unlock. Oh, not bad. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That doesn't work this time. That was weird. It worked. It just worked a second ago. Close up. Okay, it works close up. So yeah, it's not really that reliable. Like, I doubt that they're gonna be using face unlock. I assume what's gonna happen is you get frustrated that the face unlock doesn't work, so you just use your pattern, and this happened. So you did it slowly. Okay, now I can't even unlock at all. So yeah, face unlock isn't that good. So overall performance is decent, but the Play Store did crash multiple times. But that always happens with these cheap Chinese phones, I noticed. So you know, right now it works fine. I think it's like a one-time thing when you first set the phone up. So yeah, let's try Knife It, see how the overall game performance is. So far, as you can see, it's pretty snappy. Let's see how it performs. Okay, game is stuttering. Yeah, let's disable the ads. We can't do that because I signed in to my alternate Google account because I don't really trust Soyes. So yeah, the game stutters. Don't think disabling ads would have made much of a difference anyway. Alright, Wind Rider is super laggy. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's still pretty bad. Okay. Yeah, oh god. Yeah, it's pretty laggy, not gonna lie. Okay. Right now it's better. So when it's not lagging or stuttering, it's actually pretty decent, but overall pretty much unplayable. But not the worst I've ever seen. Okay, so it loaded pretty quickly. Let me see if I can do that again. Okay, so search royalty-free music, and bam, that's really not that bad actually. Okay, select with our previous Soyes phone. Yeah, our speaker is the earpiece speaker. Okay, so it gets pretty loud, but there's a tiny bit of distortion and the overall quality isn't that good. But for the price, it's kind of below average actually. Alright, so as you can see, our camera specs are not written anywhere. So we're just gonna go right ahead and just take our pictures. Let's go outside. We're facing video on the Soyes S10-H. This is a very weird dog. He thinks everything I hold is a toy. Wait, check this out. So let me know what you think. Front-facing video on the Soyes S10-H. It's really cold and it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna try and make this short. But yeah, on my end it looks pretty good. Like the video looks pretty smooth, but I know like in reality that is terrible quality. But for what this phone costs, let me know what you think. Alright, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? For $89. No, not really. I mean, for that price you can get a way better phone. Like from Umidigi, Blackview, they're selling phones even cheaper than this, which are way better. But if you do want a mini phone and you don't care about its price, then I guess go for it. Sure, it doesn't run that good and it might drive you crazy on a few occasions, but overall it does perform pretty good. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.